Good morning, class. Happy Wednesday. Today we are doing something kind of fun in math. So today, all you need is this worksheet that I sent home for you. So it's called Graphing the Temperature. And all we're going to do today is work together to construct a line graph using the information that I've given you right up here. Okay? So take a minute and make sure that you've got that and you've got something to write with. And you'll probably need a ruler as well to connect the dots of your lines. And we will get started. Okay, so when we're constructing a line graph, we need a few things. Okay, so we need the title, okay, which we kind of already have with graphing the temperature, but I'm just going to write temperature up at the top. And I'm even going to write temperature in Kingston because that's where the information is from. Okay, so we've got our title, temperature in Kingston. Okay, and then the second thing that we need is to make a scale for the side. Okay, and you'll notice that the highest temperature that we see is on Thursday at 17 degrees. So if we count up by twos, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Perfect. So we have enough room that we can go up by a scale of 2 skipping lines. Okay, so we're basically going up by a scale of 1. So I'm going to draw my little line, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and then 18 is our top line. Okay, so here we have our scale. So make sure you take a moment and write down the scale for yourself as well so we can go up by 2. So it's important that our scale goes up by an even amount. Okay, so you'll notice I'm skipping lines every single time and I'm going up by increments of 2. Okay. So the next thing that we're going to want to do is spread out our days evenly along the bottom. And we have full 7 days here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to spread them out along here. And I'm going to try, again, skipping lines to see if it works. So we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And look at that. It also works. So I'm just going to write the short forms for the days. So I'm going Mon, Tues, Wed, Thurs, Fri, Sat, Sun. Okay. So you see how I've done that? I've filled in. Again, we want to space them evenly. And we've got all of the categories that we have up here. Okay? So that's the next step for constructing our line graph. Okay, and now we have to fill in the information. Okay? So I'm going to just show you like the first 2, and then I want you to try to do this on your own. Okay, so we'll start with Monday. Monday has us at 10 degrees. So we're going to follow the Monday line up until we get to 10 degrees, okay? So that's where our first dot is going to be. Okay, so again, make sure you're following the correct day to the correct temperature value. Okay. And then next Tuesday is at 15 degrees. So I'm going to follow Tuesday up. And we know that 15 is between our markers, but because we've spaced it evenly, we just put it squarely between 14 and 16 because we know that that is 15. Okay, so I filled in Tuesday's dot, as you can see. And so what I want you to do is to take a few minutes, put the rest of your dots in for the days, and then the last step, of course, because this is a line graph, is to connect your lines together. Okay, so I want you to pause the video right here and take a few minutes to fill in your own graph. And then we're gonna come back together and see how it compares with this graph, okay? So pause me right here. Welcome back. I hope you had time to fill in your graph. So here is my filled in graph, okay? So you'll notice I've connected my lines using a ruler. And I have all the values. We have Sunday at 12, Saturday and Friday at 13. And then both Thursday and Wednesday were at 17. Okay? So just have a look at your own graph and see that it matches with this graph. And then that is actually all that you have to do today for math. So enjoy a bit of a lighter day today, and I'll see you tomorrow.